Whenever I see you, I start to cough again. Should I take some medicine, or should I hold your hand? Do you even notice my heart is beating loud? My head keeps spinning slowly whenever you're around. You ask me why I cough so much, like you really don't know. Are you pretending not to see the feelings that I hide? Whenever I see you, I start to cough again. Should I take cough medicine, or should I grab your hand? Whenever you smile, my breathing goes insane. Maybe love is just a cold that never goes away. Today our hands touched for a second, passing books in class. Only for a moment, but it stayed inside my chest. And now I'm coughing softly while you're laughing bright. Your smile only makes it worse every single time. Maybe I'm not sick at all. Maybe it's just you. Maybe every little cough means I'm falling too hard. Whenever I see you, I start to cough again. No more medicine tonight, I'm gonna hold your hand. Whenever you smile, the whole world starts to shake, and every